the new mic. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Brandon Palmer here from Balance Performance Golf. We are at Sailfish Sands. Got a nice air show going on here today as well, so we'll get you guys some of that. Opening hole par 5. Let's just get one in the fairway. I'm gonna try and talk you guys through more shots since I got a new mic. So let's go. Fairway green today, that's the goal. Draw a little more. Oh, that's fine. All right, guys, so we hit our tee ball here right in the fairway. I've also got Mom and Dad with me today. So Dad will be playing, Mom just riding in the cart. Maybe you'll film a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and see. We got a foursome in front of us and then a threesome in front of them. So really gonna take our time here today, try and talk you guys through some shots, get some cool video of the air show as well. So this Sailfish Sands course is set right next to an airport, a nice private little airport. I think it's private, here in right around Port St. Lucie. It's Martin County here in Florida. So I'm gonna try and get some cool images of that. The fairway or the green, I believe on 17 and 18 are like right next to the landing strip. So should be cool stuff over there. Gonna be pretty loud. We'll see what we get. All right, guys, so we got about 250 in here. Good par 5, little wind at the back. Nothing crazy, just gonna smooth a 4-iron up there. See if we can just get ourselves a good look at a wedge shot. Might have to reposition this mic here. May mess with me a little bit. Good strike. Oh yeah, we'll take that. That'll play. So my dad and I played this course last week, and it was our first time playing the course. Absolutely atrocious scores. So if we better that by any today, it'll be a great success. So definitely gonna try and do a lot of fairways and greens. I'll keep my stats here on the scorecard for you guys. And I wanna start doing a lot more course vlogs like this where I can fully talk you guys through certain shots, kind of let you in on some course management and why certain golfers make choices around the course. So I am a pro, so I love that. All right, guys, we've got 61 yards here. Fairways are nice, but they're it's like a weed. So I'm interested to see if the club's gonna glide or really catch, but we've got 60 yards, back pin, really no trouble in front. So I've got a 50. I'm just gonna try and skip one back in there, nice and low. Let's give ourselves a good birdie putt. No hinge backswing. Follow through right to the target. Half and half. Weight stays forward. Go. Ah. Just got to get the speed on the first putt correct. Don't fall in love with the line. Nice lag putt here. Just get it within tapping range. 1001, 1001. Always have a tempo. Let's see how they're rolling. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. Out of the first hole. Alright guys, so our stats from the first hole. We had a fairway, green in regulation, just left our pitch shot or our approach shot just a little bit short, and had a tester there for par. Knocked that in. Now we're on to the second hole, par 4 here, slight dogleg right. Just gonna try and put a good drive here in the fairway. Set ourselves up for our next good shot here. Got a helicopter taking off in the distance. Dad's teeing off. Let's get to it. Oh, fade. That should be fine. Oh yeah. Maybe just through the fairway, but no trouble. So Dad's getting a couple warm-up swings in with a lag shot, really focusing on the tempo, but mostly really just kind of getting the feel of that heavier club. So when he switches back to his wedge here in a moment, or maybe his 9, He's going to definitely feel that club being lighter, a lot more speed out in front, more power. Right now it's just all about the tempo. Allow yourself to make a good full turn behind the ball. Allow the club to set, let the arms get back in front, and then power and speed in front. So that will be, lag shot code is linked in the description below. Grab yours today. Going to be a great item for the holiday season. 125 yards, front pin, slightly uphill, kind of into the wind, but let's not get baited. Let's make a good swing. Oh, just thin the piss right out of it. Left a nice, real nice short-sided pitch shot here, up and down for par. Let's see what we can do. When you want the ball to go a little higher, hinge it a little earlier, re-hinge it, a little lower, no hinge, no hinge. And go right in between. Have a little creativity with it, weight on that front foot. Alright, down grain, downhill. Don't respect it too much. Sorry if the helicopter is very drowning out. Back and through. 1001. Alright guys, we got a nice par 3 out here. Roughly 170, I believe. A little into the wind. Passing the group in front of us. A little left to right. Choke down about a 1/4 inch. That one's pretty good. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Pinning her out. Good putt. Take that. That's good by me. All right. Uphill, green is right to left. Back of the cup. Ooh, I don't trust it. Better trust it. Did it?
Nice. Nice bird, buddy. Nice bird. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Hi, guys. The round is moving pretty quick here. Par. Was that the second? Yeah, birdie on the third, par 3. Got a par 4 here again. Some tree trouble here right off the jump. Let's see if I can find my way. Dad might go first. No, he's not. He's off to the left. Okay, we're just going to try and hit a nice fade up here. Up the middle. Let it cut back. Wind into. Really weird stance here on the fairway. I mean on the tee box. Got dogfight of planes going on in the air. Come on. Oh, that's a peach. That's a peach. The kids will love that one. Nice. All right, 139 to a back pin, wind, left to right. All I'm gonna try and do is flight one back in there. I don't even want to say the club I have. Just gonna try and flight. Little draw against that wind. Nah, I'll hit a fade in there actually. Ball one more forward, swinging that. Wait for it. Oh, I left so much of it out there. I'm feeling a lot of break, but it doesn't really look like it. never turned. Tap in par. Good confident roll up the hill. Oh, burns a lip. All right, guys, so a 329-yard par 4 here. The fairway's over here. Green's right there. I'm gonna see if I can cut some corner here. Just put a good ball on it. A little right to left wind. Honestly, not sure if this will carry. Let's give it a whap. Well, that'll carry because I pulled it. You got eyes? All right, well, it's on land. That's all we know. All right, so we got the Airshow that I spoke about going on. That's crazy. That's how this round's about to go. All right, so this is what we're left with. There's the green. The ball's right over here. So, smart choice, honestly, to try that carry 329 over the water there. I think that was just the map out of the hole. Of course, wasn't 329 with this shortcut. But now we've got ourselves a little bit of a pickle here, a little short-sided front pin. Just gonna try and hit this one over the green, I believe, maybe even go under the tree. Let's find out. All right, guys, so in a situation like this, we can either choose over the tree's not that tall, so it's probably gonna be the route, but I have a 7-iron. If I wanted to bump and run this, just try and get it up and around or on the green. But the biggest thing is not short-siding ourselves again. So let's get this one on the green, have a good chance here. Kind of a weird lie. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna try and open up, see those 2 middle fingers in the backswing. Leave that face open, make sure it gets over the tree. Oh my God. What? All right, so I did exactly what I said we didn't want to do. I left it short again. Tried to get cute, get it close. Now, forced with a tricky up and down. Try there. All right, ball's sitting up. Just want to catch it. Set. Good putt. Good putt. All right, par 5 here. Straightaway is trouble, so we've taken 3 wood. We've taken 3 wood. We've elected to go with 3 wood. We're gonna try and hit a draw right over this right corner here, or left side. Nothing too aggressive. Tiny little draw. Come on. One more draw. Don't get yourself in trouble. Alright guys, just par 5 here. Too far to the right, so we're blocked out. Just gonna hit a nice little layup down there. Try and just grease a little bit of a fade. Get a little bit closer to it, trail foot back, ball position forward. Stay in your position, your spine angle. Alright, so Dad's got 116. Wind a little right to left. Back pin here. Oh, good ball, pin high. All right, boys, we got 109 yards, back pin, a little right to left wind. Just try and squeeze a little fade with a 50 in there. See what we can do. Weight stays on that front foot, hands in, club head out. Go. Always refill your divots. Level the line, just get the speed right. Uphill the whole way. 1001, 1001, 1001. Try and recreate the same stroke you're making. Play to a picture. That's funny. Good finish. Boy, you're lucky you went in the hole. All right, guys, so we've got 145. Bear with me. We've got 145 front pin, really hard left to right and into wind. And really just try and flight one down. Another one, guys. This is all about speed. You've seen me not get the line right on the last couple lag putts. Speed's been all right. Hit it. That's off the green. Called it. Back of the putter's against the collar. Uphill the whole way. Into the green. Wow, it's just getting caught. I almost got to thin it. All right, 389 par 4. There's a fighter jet doing an air show, so it might rupture my mic here, but just gonna hit hybrid down there. I can't even comprehend how loud this is. That's loud. All right, guys, just a hybrid here. Try and get it down the middle. There's water up the left, wind pushing from the right. Right up the right side. All right, guys, 170. Gonna have to really hit a hook in here. That's certainly not enough. What a day for me to get a mic. The day that jets are about to break the sound barrier every time I take a video. Awesome. All right, just gonna try and land this one in towards the center. Let it funnel to the right. All right.
Nice spot.
Thanks. 4. Alright guys, so right before we wrap up, check out the stats. We got 5 out of 7 fairways in regulation, 6 out of 9 greens in regulation. Not too bad stats there. But the putts, man, the putts killed me. Started out real hot and then had back-to-back, well, not back-to-back, but that 3-2-3 stretch there that definitely should not have been. So 17 putts altogether. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up on the back. Oh, buff, buff. Let's go ahead and put a ball down here. I believe it's a par 4, dogleg right. Put one right down there at the tallest tree. Into the wind, play a little fade. Just like that. Alright guys, we got 120 up into the wind, back pin, out of some deep rough here. Not a bad leave. Again, some really cool features here by these greens. Huge greens, but just extremely sloped as we get to the sides. False fronts. Really steep slopes on the sides. Nothing off the back. Really cool layout. All in all, really love Sailfish Sands here. Just give this one a run. Another par 5 here, just trying to get it out into the fairway. We've got water ahead, like 240, 230 maybe, a little wind into as well. So we're just gonna try and scrape one out there in the middle.
Rope a dope, Roscoe, rope a dope. Hot 7 coming in like the Airshow.
Just hit a smooth little wind into. It'll work. You can take that.